Shut up, Dan. Thank you.
Look at you, you're making such a bloody mess. Look at your face.
Here, Jesse showers off the grime, of which there's a lot of it, and the lyrics of the song frame this moment as a deeper cleansing of the
Look at the state of you. Yeah, that's right, chuck it everywhere, look.
and restoring himself to a more active and complete hero. And like the detail that Jesse brought with him into the shower.
You are a messy bugger, ain't you?
Also, he probably still feels pretty paranoid and insecure, like at any moment his brain.
Yeah, that's it, you chuck a mass everywhere.
And let's not forget, this is the world.
Hey, Chirpy. Hello, mister. Buddy, what are you doing? Hey. Hey. Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing? Buddy birdie. Hello, mister.
We definitely need to move then now. Yeah, to the next party, yeah. Luna, I'm gonna miss you.
Skip. Alright, mate. She getting all the fun. That's it, you tell her to shut up. Oh, what's the matter, mate? What's going on, buddy?
No blowjobs, Holly.
No.
Where's it gone?
He's remarkably good looking. Why do you have time to sign everything? I really forgive you.
Hello, mister. You had enough, have you?
Acted a full-fledged informant by the end. Hoffa's association with organized crime just quadrupled the threat to this country. That the Teamsters were protecting these drug traffickers.
We have no information as to the fact that he's alive, but we don't know that he's dead either. More than 200 FBI agents are involved in the search for Hoffa.
It is one of the most famous and enduring American mysteries. What happened to Jimmy Hoffa?
Hoffa is the industry.
We've put out nearly an hour-long video that explains this in detail, so check that out if you haven't seen it.
Is that yummy, mister?
Now,
Do you want some?
assuming you're mostly up to speed on the Star Trek rights and license divides, what you need to know is that the ultimate Star Trek, the only Star Trek we've had for the past decade,
They're yummy.
and the only Star Trek we'll get until everything under that particular brand of Star Trek is cancelled, has been a failure. On film, it was off to a good start with general audiences. But then Into Darkness was released 2 years too late.
Sorry, fellas. What are you doing? What are you doing up there? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? You weirdos. You quite happy? Hello! What are you doing up there, you geek? It's alright, it's just my phone. You a pretty boy. Oh, you done as well, were you? How's my birdies? How's my birdies? Hello, you asking me for a stroke? Was it? Pretty lady, and you? What are you doing? So nice. Look at your beak, look. Look at your beak. You're covered in it. Hello. Look at your beak, look. Yeah, I know. You're a funny bugger, ain't you? Look, still all up your beak, you dork. No? Alright.